Hello my dear friends, I am Nichadi and you are watching my channel Level Up For You. Nowadays, rain is a dislike for humans because of the inconvenience they cause. However, the people with a true fear towards rain have a totally different reason for the rain to go away. They are afraid to go outside, and one of the major reasons is flooding. However, an amphibious vehicle could not solve the perennial flooding problems of a country. This is why the Filipino government has invented a vehicle named Salamander, which is very flexible and can be used in daily transport and as well as emergency rescues. And our today's topic is very innovative and very interesting also. So stay tuned to know everything about the world's first amphibious tricycle. So let's get started. Actually, this vehicle was developed using H2O technologies. Actually, this vehicle has two versions. One is hydrogen or gas version and another one is fully electric. The first version, called the Hydro Plus, is having a 200cc engine that runs on regular gasoline. However, hydrogen should be available, and it also has a fuel blending system that lets it run on combination of gas and hydrogen. However, they both should cut down on emissions and give the vehicle a better mileage. And however, the electric version runs on a 3000 watt 48 volt motor which is powered by 490 ampere hour gel type batteries. There is no word on the range or the charging time for the second version and the mileage for the gas version. The maximum speed of 80 km per hour can be possible in the Hydro Plus, but the electric version is somewhat slower. However, both the versions can manage 11 km per hour on the water and can carry 6 passengers including the driver when on land and 4 passengers when in boat mode. The double-layered hull of this vehicle is constructed using a high-density polyethylene and is compartmentalized to stay afloat or stabilized when damaged. And the propulsion in water is achieved using a rear-mounted marine-grade propeller which runs using the same motor which turns the wheel when on land. Simply pulling a lever can let the driver switch into modes. Although the H2O wants to distribute the salamanders worldwide, for now their goal is to sell this to barangays, which means villages. And they have also started a Kickstarter campaign to finance this goal. And the estimated price for this salamander is 295,000 to 495,000 Philippines pesos, which is about US $6,614 to $11,098. And after some years, we will see these salamanders worldwide. With these lines, I would like to end today's video. So to get early notifications from our channel, then like this video and subscribe my channel. And for proper updates, press the bell icon too. And give your valuable comments in the comment section. So it's all for today. Till then, goodbye.